Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nashafina binti Freddy. I'm 21 years old and live at Pulau Gaya, Kota Kinabalu, Sabah. Currently, I am a student from University Malaysia Sabah and taking a Bachelor of Social Science with honors in Industrial Relations. My educational background is SPM 3A-, 3B+, 1B and 2C at SMK Pulau Gaya. My achievement when I was in secondary school was that I was a school librarian and I joined the Malaysian Future Leadership. For STPM, my CGPA is 3.41. Meanwhile, my current CGPA for my bachelor's degree is 3.26. My strength is I'm a hardworking person. I also like to help other people to solve their problems. This is because I believe that when we help other people, we can learn a lot of things by knowing the nature of people. This will also be an exercise for me to become a human resource manager. Not only that, I like to learn new things so that I can expand my knowledge widely. So, that is all from me. If you would like to know more about me, you can find me via email or you can also call me on the phone by dialing my phone number.